about letters.
Yes. So before starting with the song A to Z or sounds or anything, what I believe is we should always tell how many letters are there in the English alphabets. How many letters are there in the English alphabets, Abir?
26.
That's correct. From A to Z, if you count, these are 26. And what are the letters from A to Z called as? Alphabet.
Alphabet.
Okay.
Okay.
So today, in this video, we are going to talk about how to teach letters to the kids. What are their sound, and we'll do some flashcards activity, and we'll do some worksheets. It's a mixed. Okay. So let's start. Always keep the alphabets chart, both capital and the small, in the kids room. Yes, in the kids room, so that whenever he goes for the play, or let the kids see as many times they can, so that it's very easy for the kids to learn. Okay, Abhi? Okay, do you know the alphabet song? Everybody knows that. Can you sing for us?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Sing along. Let's do one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? That's good. The motive of teaching and listening this song 2 times is, I've seen many kids when they sing alphabet song, what they sing is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, N, O, P. It's not L, O, M, N, O, P. Always correct your kid. Yes, Abir.
It's like first then. If you are missing that, it will not be A, B, C, D without that.
Yeah. So how it goes, Abir? Is it L, O, M, N, O, P?
No, N, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P. Let the kid be slow down while singing. It's okay, no problem. But let him sing the correct one.
And it's like that all the alphabets have to join in the party, but N is missing.
Yeah, and O was coming 2, 3 times, right? L, O, M, N, O, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. I made some flashcards for Abir, capital and the small ones.
But small ones are colorful.
Yeah, so we'll show them.
Rainbow. Stem colors have rainbow,
Yeah.
but not indigo and violet.
Yeah, so let me show the capital and small letters flashcards. So this is the way I made it. It's just a A4 sheets. You can laminate it as well. Here are the capitals one, and here are the small ones. If you want, you can make images at the back side, but I didn't make it because I can't do all lots of work. So I just skipped that one. You can also make it if you want to. My drawing is also not good. Hannah, Abir?
Yes.
Okay.
But we don't know good drawing.
Yeah. What I believe is, when you start teaching them the letters, always start with the sounds from the starting. Like we are teaching the song, ABCD is okay, but what I want you to teach your kid is, what I believe is, always tell them the sounds of all the letters and show them the images while you're going anywhere. Just point out the objects and tell the sound of the letter. Maybe if you see sun, then tell S is for sun is okay, but S as sun. S is a sound of S. Yeah, it's a jollyphonic sound, right?
Yeah.
We'll sing that later on in the next video.
But don't start from A from 24. First
yeah, we'll talk about it later in the next video. Today we're not going to talk about as a jolly phonics, okay? It's all about just letters. So, Abhi, can you hold the scale, please? I want you to tell the sound of each letter pointing at the each letter, okay?
A is for apple. Apple. B is for bird. Bird. C is for cake. Cake. D is for dog. Dog. E is for egg. Egg. Egg.
E is for egg. What is the sound of egg?
Egg.
Good. Okay.
F is for fish.
Okay.
G is for gun. Gun. H is for hat. Hat. I is for igloo. Igloo.
Wait a minute, Abhi. So here, what I taught him is two difference between E and I. What E sound is A, and the sound of I is E. So the kids won't get confused. What I taught is, for the short vowel, we'll talk about in next video about the vowels, but I'm just telling you the sound. We tell it as igloo. Okay, Abhi. So let's continue. Okay, J is for
Jacket. Jacket. K is for king. King. L is for lamp.
correct.
Lamp. M is for mask.
Okay, next.
N is for nest.
Next.
O
Next is also N. Next, please.
O is for orange. Orange. P is for pink. Pink. Q is for queen.
Q we tell as Q. We always write as Q and U together for Q. So the sound of Q and U is Q. Queen. Correct, Abhi?
S is for
No,
sun.
we forget R after Q.
R is for rose.
It's not R, it's R. Correct, Abhi? Okay, S.
S is for sun. Sun.
Good.
T is for tent. Tent. U is for umbrella. Umbrella.
Yes.
V is for van. Van.
Take a second, Abhi. 1 second. So here the sound of V goes, Abhi. Can you show V? So your upper teeth will touch the lower lips and say van. Van. Okay. And W for?
Water.
So for saying water, the difference between U and W, I'm gonna tell you about it. V for V, the upper teeth will touch the lower teeth and say the sound. V. Say, Abhi. Good. And for W, we say water. Like your lips are kissing. Like water. And make a O shape.
Water.
Good. Now next is
X is for Christmas. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.
That's correct. So I hope you got the sound. If you didn't get the sound, don't worry. We are going to start with as per the Jolly Phonics in our next video. What I told you is always tell the sounds of letters, show them the images, talk to them, just point out the letters and tell the sound whenever you see anything. Maybe in your kitchen, maybe in your bedroom or wherever you go outside. Okay, so I have made some worksheets for Apir. So it's just a normal worksheet just to introduce the letters, so how kids can differentiate between the letters. So I'm gonna give it to him now. So let's see. So this is how it looks like. I just made the matching ones. The capital will go with the lower ones, upper ones with the lower ones, capital small or upper with lower case. So I just write the same color. Okay, it's like C capital is with this red color or pink color. It's pink color, so I make it small also the same color. You can do it anyway, either ways. And the next worksheet is circle the same letters. So I made it like this. Next one is, that was is the capitals only, the same one, capital B with the capital B. Next one I made it like, I've given him the capital ones, match it with the small ones.
Or you can call it circle, the small ones.
Yeah. Last is, this is the activity one. This is the matching mat. I made some, don't go with my drawings. I'm not good at drawings. Just made it. So we'll tell you about this activity later on. So let's start with the worksheet first.
Good.
But you were doing little mistake.
Yes, sometimes.
It's okay. So the first activity is the flashcards that I've made. You can use it with for the matching ones. I just put a few ones. You can do variations in that, like you can do cut and paste, cut the uppercase and lowercase. You can place it, you can cut and paste it, you can put images, and you can just ask the kid to place both the letters, I mean both the cases, uppercase and the lowercase. So the next activity is, I just take few toys of away and I place the flashcards here. I place the lowercase letters. You can put any. The kid just has to put this ones matching with the beginning sound of the toy with this flashcards. So, are you ready, Abhi?
Yes.
Okay, start.
D for dinosaur. B for block. C for car. A for ant.
Super, Abhi. So you can always do the variations, and I want you to keep these flashcards with you. Better you can laminate it. It will be helpful when we do the blendings. So, and you have to keep on, doing the activities with these flashcards. It's very helpful, very handy, and just you have to make it one time and you can use it again and again. So the next activity, let's move on to the next activity. So here I took semolina, or you can say suji. What I have to do is, I'll give it to the kid. He can use his finger, or I have this kind of brush to use. I'll just show them the flashcard and the kid has to do the same way. Okay, so let's start. What I did is, I made some worksheet here, but it's a matching mat, and I gave him the flashcards lower and upper both.
And I need also pencil.
Yeah. So what you have to do is, kid has to tell identify the image. Take out the flashcard for the starting letter. Okay, beginning sound of the image, and have to show them, and then just cancel over it. Once it's done, move to the next one. Okay, Adi? So this is how we did the activity. So here,
It's a finding act.
yeah, it's a finding activity. Here I took some of the cutouts from his old books. So he has to check it in the water, and he has to cut it on the page. So here I have some water for him. I made a colorful water. It's just a food coloring and a water jar. I will place these cutouts below this container. Sorry, it's not a jar, it's a bowl. So I will just place these cutouts under this bowl, and Abir has to search the image with the glass in the water, and when he found the image, he has to tell the beginning letter of that image, and he has to find it on the page and cut it over. So let me just quickly place these cutouts below this bowl. I can see the smile. I think you like this activity. I think so.
I'm pretty excited.
Okay, Abhi, you can cut it, you can cancel it, or you can scribble it on the letter when you find it, or you do whatever you want.
Let's do on the letter.
Yeah, on the letter. So are you ready? Beginning letters of the images and some other few, so that he will be confused a bit. And there is one glass to look inside it. What he has to do is, he just has to place and remove all these ones glass, and they can see the images like this.
Okay, now I'll show you one thing.
And then he has to cut the letters. Okay, it's science. It's not getting wet.
No.
Okay, let's start. Which is the image first?
Flower.
It's flower or vase? Okay, cut.
Vase.
Okay, next. Okay, frog. Did you enjoy the activity, Abir?
Let's see this.
Okay, so till then, Abir.
In the glass is cold.
Okay, so in our next video, we will talk about the confusing letters, and we'll start as per the Jolly Phonics workbook, starting from SATIPN for series, sounds, and we'll do the worksheets according to that. So if you have any queries, anything, write to us, email to us at jumboworksheets.com. Yeah, till then, bye-bye, good night, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.
You can tell your query. You can tell your queries to us.
Okay, it should not be hard.
Yes.
Okay, so watch our other videos. Till then, bye bye. See you. Thank you.